Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. Any new WordPress website, how we can set up the Google Analytics option. There is a Google Analytics 4 will be GA4 activate to the market. How we can activate Google Analytics on your particular new WordPress website. I'm selecting the particular one website name is called. So that will be here RK user laptops. This particular laptops, how we can activate Google Analytics. First of all, google.com/analytics. Signing to analytics will be here. This is a completely version change. There is a Google Analytics 4. So first of all, the Google Analytics 4, how we can activate. When I'm clicking this option, admin, their option name is called create account. That is called RK user laptops. Before checking anything will be here and add your particular name. Next, RK user laptops. After this, what are the your currency and country location? They added your particular place and add your currency will be Indian rupees. You can add by the Indian rupees. Click for show advance. This is already away from the Google Analytics 4. So Google Analytics, Universal Analytics will be away. But new one is the Google Analytics 4. Click fit next. Add your particular services. There is on to what are the services you have. Add your particular services. Click for next. What is the purpose of choose your business objective? Generating leads, drive online sale, raise brand awareness, examine your user behavior, get baseline report. I'm not liking it. I'm looking for only for condition will be like this. After this one, what are the country you have? Based on the country, the code will be activated. Wherever India will be there. Add your terms and conditions. Click for I accept. After this, you are into Android application, iOS and web. This will be web. Web nothing but add your web link. Web link always added by the home page. Copy this link. All HTTPS is there. Just after this, what is the website name? Click for create a stream option. After create a stream, it will be generating your code. The code will be loading, some time will be taken here, or else you can manually click for the code also. So WordPress, they will be give some instruction will be here. Go to plugin, add new plugin is called search result, WooCommerce analytics, click install, everything will be here. But is I'm going to the manual code, copy this code, go to the WordPress dashboard. The plugin name is called insert header and footer plugin. The plugin will be already installed here. If not installed, can install by yourself. The plugin name is called WordPress header and footer. After install, activate it. This activation plugin is available. Go to settings. There is option name is called WordPress header and footer plugin. So already I'm Google Analytics code is there. Google Search Console. Waiting for Google Analytics code. After click for save change. After save change, it will be done. There's a nothing required will be save changes. So after this, everything will be finished will be here. Click for next. So after next will be here. Go to home. Data collection is the pending. So there some time will be here. Taking will be pending will be here. How you can check is a code activate or not? Go to report option. In a report, they click for real time. What is mean by real time? Real time nothing but when people spending time into your website, anything, we can go for it, checking with the users from Google Analytics. The how many people running customers, everything will be checking will be here. This time will be taken data uploading on the Google Analytics 4 option. Previous Google and universal Google Analytics, they're showing immediate results. But Google Analytics 4, this takes some time, show your latest report from the real-time audience. So that is the purpose. Control U. What are the code you have entered will be here. Go to admin panel. In the admin panel, what are the assistant that will be all will be data stream. There will be code will be there, the particular code. Copy the link, Control F, Control V. The code will already activated. We can checking for each and every page. How many pages you have? Check for the each and every page. Compulsory important. There will be Control U, Control F, Control V. Every page code is there. There is a checking format. The code is activated or not on Google Analytics. After this, the automatic report will show to the customer report in real time. We can check each and everything on your particular WordPress website. See this. This is a live trial will be show which page everything we can check from the here is the option. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.